Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to InfoHub 360. Today we have something exciting in store for you. We're going to share 5 super easy and natural ways to brighten your face right from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking to achieve that radiant glow or simply pamper yourself, these tips will have you feeling fabulous in no time. So, let's get started. But before we dive into these beauty secrets, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our beauty tips and tricks. 1. Lemon and honey mask. First up, we have a brightening mask featuring 2 powerhouse ingredients, lemon and honey. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which helps lighten dark spots and blemishes, while honey moisturizes and soothes the skin. Steps: squeeze half a lemon into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of honey and mix well. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Lemon and honey not only brighten your face but also leave it feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. 2. DIY Exfoliating Scrub. Next, let's talk about exfoliation. Regular exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and revealing that radiant complexion underneath. Steps: mix 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Gently massage the mixture onto your face in circular motions for 2-3 minutes. Rinse with warm water. This simple scrub will leave your skin feeling incredibly soft and looking brighter. 3. Cucumber Cooling Mask. Now, let's cool things down with a refreshing cucumber mask. Cucumbers are not only hydrating, but also have natural bleaching properties. Steps: blend half a cucumber into a smooth paste. Apply it evenly to your face and neck. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with cold water. This mask is perfect for those hot summer days or when you need to relax and pamper your skin. 4. Green tea toner. Moving on to our 4th tip, we have a homemade green tea toner. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation and redness while brightening your complexion. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Pour the tea into a spray bottle. Spritz it onto your face after cleansing and before moisturizing. Using this green tea toner daily can help you maintain a clear and radiant complexion. 5. Turmeric face mask. Last but not least, we have a turmeric face mask. Turmeric has been used for centuries for its incredible skin-brightening properties. Mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Just be careful with turmeric, as it can temporarily stain your skin. Make sure to rinse thoroughly. There you have it, 5 fantastic ways to brighten your face at home using natural ingredients. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so incorporate these tips into your routine and watch your skin glow. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And as always, if you have any beauty secrets or questions, leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on InfoHub 360. Stay beautiful.